Hello beautiful friends, today I'm here to show you how to do some cute knotless braids. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. Since I'm using a dummy head, I'm just combing and braiding it as it is, but if I was using a human's head or braiding my own hair, I would have added some hair gel or some wax so that I can hold all the hairs in place, all the tiny hairs at the scalp. I can hold them in place and achieve the straight line, which will make the style look so cute and so nice. You can then take your parting and separate it into 3 pieces, and then you're gonna start braiding it without adding any braids first for at least 1 or 2 stitches. Then you're going to start adding the braids. Take your first braid, make sure it's equal to the size of one of the strands that you're holding, and then plait it. After 1 complete stitch, take another braid and repeat the process. Do this until the braid reaches the size that you like, and continue braiding until you reach the end of the braid, and repeat the process with the next braid and the next braid until you get all of them done all over your head. Or if you want to braid half of your head, do so. This is how I do my knotless braids. If you enjoyed the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're looking for a knotless braiding tutorial, I hope this one helps. And if you want more videos like this, remember to subscribe, and I will see you later. Thank you so much for watching.